Do you want more productivity in your life and want to overcome your procrastination and also want to do more in less time? Then watch this video till the end because this video will help you motivate in eating a live frog. If you choose to do anything compulsorily in the morning, then you must choose to complete your most biggest, hardest, and the most important task so that you can move with satisfaction throughout the day for completing that work. Discipline yourself to begin immediately and to persist until the task is complete. Treat it like a personal challenge because completing that task can have the most positive impact and the rewards would be tremendous. Overall, if you have to complete that task anyway, it will not pay you off to sit and look it for very long. At the last anyhow, you have to complete it. So use your willpower and get set complete. You should use this 4-part combination. First, select your most important task of the day. Second, begin immediately because it's very important to tackle your uncomfortable task. Don't think about it and don't worry about it. Don't let your mind come up with excuses. Get in the habit of begin immediately. Once you have started, it will actually not feel as bad as you think of it. It will become a kind of fun because making progress feels good. Third, work on it single-handedly. Because it's a fact that concentrating on your most important and uncomfortable task single-mindedly, you can reduce the time required to complete it by 50% or more. Because single-mindedly, you are in a productive work rhythm and multitasking can lead to permanent concentration reduction, unnecessary stress, and reduction in performance. Fourth, finish it. It's that what successful people do. They launch directly into their major task and then discipline themselves to work steadily and single-mindedly until their tasks are complete. Stucking in the half can lead to massive resistance in going again as it's usually that 5% of the task where you were stuck. Remember, by the yard it's hard, but inch by inch anything is a cinch. Which means if your mind sees too many tasks at once, it feels like there's just too much to do, but focusing on one step at a time can make it easy. So get your mind off the huge task and focus on a single action that you can take. Two of the most important ingredients in the productivity puzzle are focus and willpower. The more energy you have, the more productive you will be. You should be a master in your field, so read for at least 1 hour every day to gain information and take every course and seminar available on key skills that can help you. Dedicate yourself in becoming one of the most knowledgeable and competent person in your field. You can become one of the smartest, most capable and highest paid people in your field simply using these steps. Take notes that neither success nor failure happen by accident. Any success is the result of doing certain specific things over and over again. If you copy what successful people do, you will get the results that they got. So commit to lifelong learning, guard and nurture your energy levels. Get set success.
We make such types of book and life related stuff, so if you like them, then hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell to get more out of your readings.